Here we have a problem on proportion. Let's read the question. If x by 2 is equal to y by 3 is equal to z by 7, then find the value of 2x minus 5y plus 4z whole divided by 2y. Okay, so to know the value of this ratio or fraction, I must be knowing the values of x, y and z. Okay, so we have to get the values of x, y and z from the given continued proportion, because here there are three ratios equal. Okay, let's check the given continued proportion. X by 2 equal to y by 3 equal to z by 7. Okay, in this proportion, so the three fractions x by 2, y by 3 and z by 7, all of them are equal. So whatever value we have for x by 2, we'll have the same value for y by 3 and z by 7, because all of them are equal. If I assume the value of x by 2 is 5 and the value of this one also will be 5 and the value of this one also will be 5, because all of them are equal. So then what is the value of x by 2? I do not know. So I can assume any value. So because it is not the value of x by 2 or y by 3 or z by 7 is not given in the question, so I can assume any value. So I assume the value of x by 2 is 1. Why I assume the value of x by 2 is 1? So to make the problem easier, I assume the value of x by 2 is 1. Then the value of y by 3 will also be 1. The value of z by 7 will also be 1. So all of them are equal to 1. So we get x by 2 is equal to 1. We get y by 3 is equal to 1. The value of z by 7 is equal to 1. Okay, so now we get x is equal to 2 from this one, and here we get y is equal to 3 and we get z is equal to 7. Okay, now we got the values of x, y and z. We can substitute the values of x, y, z here in this fraction. So we have 2x minus 5y plus 4z divided by 2y is equal to 2 times 2 minus 5 times 3 plus 4 times 7 divided by 2 times the value of y is 3, 2 times 3. Okay, so 4 minus 15 plus 28 divided by 6. So 4 minus 15 is minus 11, and minus 11 plus 28 is going to be 17. So 17 by 6. So the value of the fraction 2x minus 5y plus 4z by 2y is 17 divided by 6.